Hey guys, I thought I'd run you with the recipe for pancakes, fresh. So what we have here in the bowl, we got flour, baking powder, a little salt, and some sugar, 2 tablespoons. And for the wet ingredients, we're gonna do buttermilk, 2 cups. That's Jimmy, don't mind him. We got 2 tablespoons of vanilla right there. We got equivalent to 2 eggs. I do a little bit more just because I like it a little bit more dense. Inside there, there we go. And we're gonna give it a little whisk. Don't want to over mix this, so a little lumps is okay. So, and also if you want to make your own buttermilk from scratch, use the same amount of milk with a tablespoon of vinegar, and voila, there you go. All right, so what we do for this batter, we want it basically at this consistency here. You know, little lumps in there is fine. And there you have it. Next time I will make a couple of plates just so you see what I do for pancakes. Thank you guys.